Class 3 English. I am Sudarshana Raj, English teacher of St. John's Public School. Today we are going to learn the first poem of your textbook, Too Busy by Bruce Lanksy. About the poet. Bruce Lanksy was born in 1941 and he has a passion for getting children excited about reading and writing poetry. Let's start the poem. I am Sudarshana Raj, English teacher of St. John's Public School. In 3rd standard, in your English textbook, the first chapter is a poem. The name of the poem is Too Busy. It is written by Bruce Lanksy. In this poem, we are going to see a child who is very active in his house, doing all kind of works. But he does not like to do homework. Except doing homework, he is very happy to do all the other household activities. I have folded all my laundry and put it in the drawer. I have changed my linen, made my bed and swept my bedroom floor. The child is folding his clothes as you can see in the first picture and he is keeping it inside the drawer. In the second picture, he is changing the bed sheet and arranging his bed. And in the third, you can see him cleaning his bedroom floor. The child is happily doing all these household activities. In the first stanza. This is the second stanza. I have emptied out the garbage and fixed tomorrow's lunch. I have baked some cookies for dessert and given Dad a munch. The second stanza's explanation. As you can see in the first picture, the child is removing all the contents out of the waste bin. And in the second picture, we can see him preparing the next day's lunch. You can see in the third picture, he is baking some cookies as a sweet dish and gives to his dad to chew. This is the last stanza. I have searched the house for pencils and sharpened everyone. There are so many things to do when homework must be done. Explanation of the third stanza. He searches the house for pencils and makes a strong edge for the pencils. You can see it in the first picture. He thinks that there are so many things to do than doing homework. In this way, he himself makes him busy for not doing the homework. He does not like to do the homework. You can see the boy sitting idle. My dear children, I have given the meanings here. I'll read it for you. Folded, to make smaller. Laundry, washing clothes. Linen here means bed sheet. Swept, to clean. Emptied, removed all the contents. Garbage, rubbish. Searched, to look for. Dessert, sweet dish. Munch, something to chew. Sharpened, making a sharp edge. Now opposites. Busy opposite idle. Folded opposite unfolded. Emptied opposite filled. From the poem, certain questions are asked here. You can tick the correct answer. The first one, the speaker of the poem is a young child. The speaker is busy doing household chores. The work which the speaker does not wish to do is doing his homework. Answer the following. How does the child tidy up his room? The child folded the clothes, made his bed, and cleaned his bedroom floor. Second question. There are so many things to do when homework must be done. Why does the child say so? The child said like that because he was not at all interested to do his homework. The third question. What message does the poet convey in this poem? Poet conveys the message that children are generally lazy to do homework but very active to do things of their interest. Use in sentences. Folded. He folded the carpet. Write 2 more sentences using folded as above. Emptied. The boy emptied the glass of milk. Searched. She searched for her doll. Please write 2 more sentences each for the questions 2 and 3. Homework is a tedious job, but they like to do so many other activities. But if you take homework also as interesting, definitely you will be able to enjoy the beauty of doing homework. You will get good marks and you will be very satisfied when you go to school after doing your homework. Isn't it like that? So in this poem, the writer is trying to tell us about the basic characteristic features of a child who is very happily doing every other activities except homework. My dear children, please write all these notes in your notebook and read it and study it very well. Thank you.